This how far I got on this water yesterday. I let it cool off. I got started on it once it cooled off. Radiator, all this gotta come out. All that gotta come out. I got a lot more to do today. Yeah, but all broke down in the front. A few more hours, all this gonna be broke down.